So we have all this space around us. Look at all this empty, empty space, okay? Tons and tons of empty space. We've got people across the wash over here. That's fine. People way over there. Got little hummingbirds. I need to get my feeder out. Becky and Myron have theirs up. They're up there on top of that little bush. Have to pull stuff out of the basement because they've got all the wires all pulled out.
We are ready to drill holes in the roof.
We're going to make a big hole now.
Drill a big hole in the roof. Here we go for the solar. Ay caramba.
That was hard.
What's it feel like down there?
It's stuck. Can't get it out. We have room for all our wires.
Awesome. We're putting that box on top of that, running the wires from right here, the cables, over to the pipe, and then straight down the corner of the wall coming out in a cabinet below.
And there it is.
There we go. So here's the other end of the wire coming up. Ran it up the pipe. Myron was on this end, pulling. Right?
I was pulling. Tom was wiggling.
I was wiggling all the way down in the basement, pushing it up. And the girls were in the middle, guiding. Making our own brackets. Actually, Myron is making the brackets. You know the exact size and everything. It's all up
here.
All up here. So we've got the aluminum, we're cutting everything to specifications that fit for tilting both ways on the roof, drilling the holes, sanding them down, getting ready to put them up there. And then when we're done with that, we come over to their rig and we're going to increase what they've got. They've got 2, they're going to 4. Are you having fun?
Of course, I'm using tools, no matter how primitive. Getting these burrs off of the...
I have a unique theory about the stolen goods purchasing.
What in the world?
Well, look, we gotta get all this picked up.
Oh, I thought you were just bored and sweeping up
The little
rocks
tiny
again.
rocks. No, just trying to get all this aluminum up. We don't want the little doggies stepping on it. We're trying to clean up
You missed a piece over
our
there.